Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's market with OI price action and news. The trending topic is on news is power crisis, coal crisis. Here are some news articles which showing that Delhi could face power shortage because of coal crisis. Kejriwal seeks PM intervention. 64 power plants across India have coal stock less than 4 days. Data from Indian News Express. This, the stock prices of Coal India and Tata Power have risen by 30 to 34% for the Tata Power and 21% for the Coal India in recent month. Disclaimer: this information is for educational purpose only. I am not SEBI registered advisor. Market investment is part of capital risk, so be careful while trading and taking decision. Please consult your financial advisor before investing. Now, what is the reason of coal shortage and how will it impact? What is the way forward? And have a look. Actually, issue is uh, coal-fired power stations were having an average just days of worth of coal fuel at the end of last month, the lowest in a year. More than half plants are in alert, that is 72 out of 135 coal-based power plants for outage of after a with a surge in electricity demand. Accordingly, 13 plants have coal that can be last for more than 10 days. India is facing a several coal shortage. The coal stock at thermal plant can produce just days of electricity. India may run out of electricity in a week. To India's big blackout. Reasons for coal shortage are like this: less supply and huge increase in demand of coal for coal power electricity generation. As of 2019 August, it was 160 million units, while in 2021 it is crossed 124 million units. However, the supply side has seen crunches to deliver it. Prices rose on price rose of non-renewable energy fuel like natural gas and coal. Actually, in commodity market for the natural gases, it was rose in a single day of 2% hike of natural gas prices. And second reason is local supply chain crunch and challenges. In India, almost 70% of electricity is produced from coal, but the coal production was seen heavily affected due to monsoon in coal reserve region. So heavy rain at several mines in the country and logistics have created shortage of domestic coal supply. Global contributing, China is biggest coal producer and consumer in the world. While Chinese government deployed norms to reduce 65% in its emission by 2030, has cracked down heavily on coal mining. To meet strong demand of electricity, they demanding coal with increased price also. At the start of 2021, coal prices were around 69 to 70 per ton dollar. By the end of September, the prices goes more than 218 dollar per ton, which is tons highest since decade. Global coal prices are high as many countries are opening up. After post-vaccination, more electricity demand has bounced back, but the supply and wasn't ready with its energy crisis in India. Is the situation is worse? India is running out of coal. India on brink of big blackout. Government steps. Currently, gap between available electricity supply and demand point 2 was more than 4 gigawatt on 4th of October. First, the implications and consequences of blackout. Electricity demand is a good sign for economic recovery, but if failed to meet balance between electricity supply and demand, then our GDP growth forecast will turn to lower. Production will be downscaled as large-scale power cut and higher the electricity prices. India's population and underdeveloped energy infrastructure will face power crisis, could dangerous to many people living in a blackout, disturbing normal life, rising inflation and affecting sectors like steel and MSMEs. Government steps to tackle with coal shortage issues. Indian government has formed an inter-ministerial team which consists of people from Railway Ministry, Power Ministry, Coal India Limited, NTPC to ensure the essential coal supply to the power plants. Government amended rule to allow 50% of sale of coal from captive mines will now be allowed to sell 50% of their output to open market. In the minister announced on Thursday, which will help to boost the coal supply side availability. Also, they are trying with CIL and NTPC to increase more mines to coal mining. Let's see after managing COVID impact, vaccination drive, heavy consumer demand despite of semiconductor shortage and rise in inflation, how India's economy deals with coal crisis. Meanwhile, by switch off your fans, lights and other appliances were not in use to save electricity. Some memes on coal and electricity crisis. To know more issues affecting stock market, please subscribe our channel Today's Market with OI price action and news. Thank you.